play with the idea that in another dimension, you, soul rider, maybe your body and your teams might all need to reference a space of refuge where you retreat, you clean your fields. That's step one. Step one's retreat. Step two, clean the fields, clean the fields, clean the fields, clean and clear the dissonance. Release and return responsibilities that you might have picked up. Because you can get empathically impacted on the planet by the majority of the people that are taking responsibility for things that aren't theirs and giving responsibility away. So you return responsibilities that you might have started to pick up. And then there's a reweaving. So step three, reweaving. So you retreat, you clean, return responsibilities. It's part of the cleaning. And then you reweave your fields. And then play with the idea that you, soul rider, one of your primary medicines, soul rider, is stillness, is silence. That is the most potent medicine for you, soul rider, etheric being. And so you let yourself, soul rider, use another dimension to reference that clean space where there's absolute stillness, absolute silence, and you let yourself energetically receive that silence and that stillness for nourishing. And that silence and stillness might not even exist here in this world, in any dimension on this planet. So that's why you want to go off planet to feel that silence, that stillness. And then you invite your body to reference an appropriate dimension, sounds, light, maybe a mountaintop with wind, the wind and leaves, or a river flow, or waves crashing on a beach. You say, body, reference a dimension where you can be in your element that helps you restore as we move in the day, sleep, dream, and play. And then multiple times a day, you just witness yourself for a few seconds in that still, restorative space. Your body witnesses itself in that restorative space. And then you allow for a rippling and a reflection of that restoration to you here. Also, too, every time you bring your awareness to that other dimension, witness it, it becomes more actualized. You awaken to yourself in that other dimension more. And then we experience a stronger ripple reflection. Oh. That piece, I wouldn't do that if you were like road bike racing or on a horse and racing or doing something really fast that requires 100% of your attention. Redivert all of your energy and awareness back down into the physical dimension. When you're doing something that requires a tremendous amount of dexterity, presence, and recall, like you have the instant response for safety. Oh,